Artist's depiction of the potentially lazy girl. Image sourced from https://wwifu.github.io. There has been a bit of a sickening event in Northampton, UK recently. A local bitch has recently taken a day of sick off, after what she describes is a bit of millennial wave. The bitch, who cannot be named due to many problems with UK law, has called off sick after what locals in the area are considering to be yet another variant of outrageous millennial behavior. Considered to be among the worst generation in existence, this highlights yet another variant case of millennial behavior. When will this wave of irresponsibility and misbehavior stop, you might think? What do you need to know, and why should you be worried, you might ask yourself. This local B word has recently caused a spike in unhappiness at her workplace. Many refuse to talk about it, but after so much calamity, one person from her workplace has finally come forward. A former friend at her workplace states that she takes many days off and refused to call in sick or give notice. Why, that's just normal, our reporter asked the respondent. Former B*TCH in command. No, this is not the case, the bitch in command friend told us. Although at first it would be difficult to tell, she is responsible for more than 80% of the absences at the workplace, as of current. The number of absence was previously 6 days per month but is now 20 days per month. Sometimes, her friend mentioned shockingly, she will talk a day off and it is difficult to know when she will be back. She is a sweet girl, but she leaves so often and then come backs that sometimes we do not even know whether this is true or whether she could, heaven forbid, be lying. Although millennials do not lie, I know that sometimes taking an absence from work is part and parcel of life, but to me this is a record in terms of absence, although I am in no official place at the company to speak on their behalf. How many absences has she taken this month, our reporter asked her. She has taken 20 absences, her friend responded back face to face. I would not be surprised if she were being a burden on the healthcare system as well, her friend added. It has become such as cause for concern that while working with her, many in our workplace have joked about getting her tested for disease. So how long has she worked there, our reporter, who refused to be named due to awe at the audacity, asked her friend. Apparently, this potentially lazy bitch has worked there for about a year. When asking her employer for a comment, her employer tried to stay professional and simply stated that they respected the millennial generation, but that if the B was reading this, then they should try to be a bit more responsible when working. As an employer, we appreciate that young people can be a bit jagged when working for the first time or when working while young, but you might want to consider when you take a day off, they ended.